What's up, guys? And it's good to have you back on Felis TV. And we are doing another equipment unboxing. Now, this particular product has come into the market a couple of months ago. It's really knocked some people off their feet because of just the amount of technology that's gone into it. It's from a well-known company. They normally make drones. It's a product from DJI. I might as well show it to you, right? So it's right here. It's not right here. It's in this beautiful case that the DJI is always known to do, is by giving this beautiful box that enables you to just have all your little nitty bits in there stuff. Okay, there we go. This is the unit, and this is what I mean. This is the gimbal, which has the camera attached. So I'm just gonna put this to the side. And in this box, we've got the handles for it. And they've got this little space in the box, which is really great, so that you can just, oh boy, there we go, it's out. So this unit you can get in a couple of variations. You have, this one is the X9 6K. There is also an 8K version available, so that's like, wow. This is the magic piece of this unit, which is the LiDAR detector, and this is basically helps with your autofocus. So any lens that you have, it's able to autofocus. That is, I think, really something. What else we've got? We've got some cables, we've got a charger, we've got battery. I'm not gonna mess around with this, I'm just gonna plug this in. Now the beauty about this battery is the TB50, which is exactly the same one which you're using for your Inspire. Get rid of this lovely bag and just give you the camera. Gotta give this whirl so you can see the size of it. Since I have it now in this position, I might as well. They're very simple to latch on. Knock one, knock two, and lock. And this is it. This is basically all you have. The LiDAR comes on here. It does, well, since we've got this specific gimbal, it does 6K at 25, 30 FPS depending where you are. So that is really great. It has a dual ISO range, which goes from 800 to 4000. I think it's going to really do well in mid-range twilight light, which is great. It's got built-in ND filters, which is awesome. I mean, some of your professional cameras out there do not have built-in ND filters. This one has it. The X7, X9 series, it utilizes the DJI lenses, which have a range of 16, 24, 35, and 50. And they're all the same length and weight, which makes it really great because then you don't have to balance it again back and forth. Okay, I've changed my lens, I need to change focus. You can just pop it on, good to go, and then you move on to the next one and you change the lens and you're pretty much very savvy on the go. I mean, it's great on that end. There is more, and that is just by a touch of a button over here, which is the 4D mode. Now we've got 4-axis. We've got your pan tilt, your roll, and we've got the Z-axis. So when you're walking, it basically gives you much smoother control. And that is, I think, the main thing about this camera that makes it so interesting. Because of the LiDAR detection, the active track, which you find a lot of in your drones right now, and some of the newer, smaller gimbals. But now with the active track being just built in, it makes it very easy to just keep your subject in focus and also in the frame. This is pretty much it. This is your unit. I would just say this, looking at it, my first impression of it, it looks really nice. It looks sturdy. It's well balanced. I'm just holding it with 2 fingers right now, and there is no forward or backward tilt, so it's well balanced. Very specific. It's very niche because if I'm a small production and I want that one camera to do everything for me, like be on a gimbal, be it on a car, be it inside, for the long lens, for the wide lens, for the mid lens, and then move around. This is not the camera for that. This is specifically for just if you need stable footage, if you're walking around. So I think unit will do really great for rental houses. Enough jabbering about. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna get some test shots of it, see what it's like, and then in the next video I'll show you what my first impression was. But for not much further to do, now don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and check out our other videos that we have. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon.